Hello and welcome to another English grammar lesson on this channel. Today's topic is scared and afraid. A lot of people mix up the use of scared and afraid in their sentences. By the end of this lesson, you will surely know exactly when to use them in your conversations. Scared and afraid refer to fear, but the difference is that scared is used when the fear is sudden. So it is used for sudden fear. Scared is also used when the fear is emotional. It is also used when the fear is physical. For physical fear, use scared. Afraid is used when the fear is as a result of bad news, or disappointment. Also use afraid when the fear is as a result of consequences or future fear. So when the fear is as a result of what will happen in the future, use afraid. Generally, afraid is used when the fear can be controlled. So if the fear can be controlled, use afraid. Sudden emotional and physical fear cannot be controlled, but all these can be controlled. Okay? Now, let's identify the sentences here that are grammatically right or wrong based on the usage of scared and afraid. He is scared to fail his exam next term. What kind of fear do we have in this sentence? Is scared the right word to use? Now, the exam hasn't taken place, but the fear is there already. That means it is future fear because the exam hasn't taken place. So this is future fear. And for future fear, we do not use scared. Instead, we use afraid for future fear. So afraid is the right word. He is afraid to fail his exam next term. They were afraid when the accident occurred. The fear here is sudden. When accident occurs, the fear is sudden. The fear comes immediately. It cannot be controlled. So for sudden fear, do not use afraid. Instead, use scared. They were scared when the accident occurred. I am scared. I can't help your people. What kind of fear is this one? Fear that comes from bad news. Okay? So I can't help your people. This is a form of disappointment or bad news. So for this kind of fear, do not use scared. Use afraid for bad news. So afraid is the right word. She is afraid to lose her job. Consequences of what will happen when she loses her job. So this fear is as a result of consequences. And for consequences or future fear, we use afraid. In other words, this word is correct here in this sentence. That means this sentence is correct. Now let's use afraid and scared to fill up these gaps. 1. I was blank when the dog barked suddenly. With this word suddenly, you should know that the fear is sudden. Sudden fear. So for sudden fear, we use scared. I was scared when the dog barked suddenly. 2. She is blank of flying. This is a general fear of flying. This fear can be controlled. So the type of fear that can be controlled, what do we use for it? Afraid. She is afraid of flying. 3. I'm blank. I can't come over today. This is a form of disappointment or bad news. So this is disappointment. The right word to be used in this sentence, as it has to do with disappointment, should be afraid. I'm afraid I can't come over today. He felt blank during the earthquake. Earthquake is sudden. So the fear that comes as a result of that is immediate. For sudden fear, do not use afraid, use scared. He felt scared during the earthquake. 5. I'm blank to tell them what happened. This is consequences of what will happen when I tell them. Consequences. So for this kind of fear, what do we use? We use afraid. I'm afraid to tell them what happened. 6. She was blank to speak in public. This is a kind of fear that can be controlled. You can control your fear of speaking in public. We use afraid. 7. I'm blank. The shop is already closed. This is disappointment. Disappointment or bad news. So for this kind of fear, do not use scared. Use afraid. I'm afraid the shop is already closed. 8. They were blank when the lights went off. This is physical fear or immediate. Physical fear or sudden. The light went off and suddenly they were scared. So scared is the correct word to use. He is blank of losing his job. This is consequences of what will happen when he loses his job, or what will happen in the future when he loses his job. So this is future fear or consequences. So for the fear that comes as a result of what will happen in the future, use afraid. He is afraid of losing his job. If you learned something from this lesson, please give this video a like and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching.